You know, Morse code is actually really useful. You can use it to hide many things. You can use it to hide addresses, for example, and no one will know. For example, on this picture, you can just put it around in a square or a rectangle, and no one will know that it's Morse code. And even if they do, nobody's gonna spend their time trying to decode it, especially your teachers. If you hide something in there that is related to your teachers or whatnot, no one will know, and they'll just think it's a cool design pattern, and you can pass it off as such. Really useful, honestly. Really useful.